Hello everyone. It's Iga here. I don't know if you can see me. I just received my fertilizer that I order from this company, Hydroponicseurope. This company it's located in the Netherlands, and it's the only company that I found that ships hydroponic fertilizer that is pre pre-mixed to Cape Verde. All the other companies, it's a lot of trouble. They say they don't ship anymore. They ask for you to use other shipping companies. It's a lot of work. But this one you can buy it with Visa or PayPal, and they ship directly to you. I bought this the 6th of May. Today is the 19th of May. 19 no, the 25th of May. So this took 19 days to get here. To me, it's pretty good. In a country where I'm in Cape Verde, so in a country where you can usually get things shipped to you, man, that's awesome. So now I got to fertilize. I got to start growing some plants, and soon I hope I have some news for you guys. So see ya. Here's the context of the company.